How to find username and password on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then go down to the profile option that is located down below. As you go down to the profile option that is located down below, now up above you will be able to see my name, that is in my case S4D9. But in order to see your password, that is not available in the Instagram right now because of the privacy issue, because someone can take your mobile and log into your Instagram account. But the thing you can do is that you can reset your password anytime by clicking or following the description that is down in the description, or following the tutorial that is down in the description. And also if you want to go to settings and then go to security and then go to saved login information, now by clicking on saved login or saved phone number, you can save your login on this device. So whenever you want to log into this device, you can directly log in by clicking just one button. So this is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.